So we have this problem here. Carlos has chosen 12 different compact disc CDs he would like to buy. 4 are rap music, 5 are country music, and 3 are heavy metal music. Carlos then randomly selects 5 of the 12 CDs to purchase. What is the probability that his purchases includes at least one CD from each of the 3 categories? Express your answer as a common fraction. So this is a simple probability question. Well, there's just 12, choose 5 ways in total. And then because we need at least one CD from each, we can either have like a 3-1-1 distribution or a 2-2-1 distribution, where we're choosing how many CDs from each genre. And now it's just plug and bash. So this one equals like 5 choose 3 choose 1 choose 1 plus 5 choose 1 choose 3 choose 1 5 choose 1 3 choose 3. This one is the same thing, but we're just choosing 2-2-1 in this case from the 3 genres. Choose 2 and 3 choose 2. Now we can just sum these up. So this is 10 by 4 divided 3, so that's 120. This is 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60. This is 5 times 4, 20 times 1 is just 20. This is 10 times 6, 60 times 3 is 180. 10 times 4 is 40 times 3 is 120. 5 times 6 is 30 times 3 is 90. Now we just sum all of these up, so we get, let's do it in a different color, we get 120, 300, 420, 480, 500, 590. So we get 590. 12 choose 5 is like 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8. And then we divide by 120, so multiply 120 on the top. The 120 gets cancelled. So we just get 590 over 11 times 9 times 8. We can just divide the top and bottom by 2, so we get 295 divided by 8 becomes 4, so we have 36 times 11, which is 396. And we'll check if that is correct. And now that we've solved that, we can now plug in what we got, which was 295 divided by 396.